So Jeremy went under the house today because like you would have seen if you watched our previous videos, we had a lot of flooding once we took the deck boards up off the floor of the addition and we put the real floor down of plywood. And then it was level with the house, and whenever it would rain, because it took us a few weeks to get the roof on because we had to wait for the metal, the trusses, help, you know, stuff like that, a lot of things. So it started to flood into our house several times. So Jeremy just went under here today and he's cutting the insulation. Like, we don't have insulation under the addition yet, so that's all good. But under the main part of the house, there is insulation, and it was all taped and ready for winter. So yeah, that water would have been trapped in there. So he had to go under and cut a whole bunch of it to let the water drain out. So he's under here being licked by dogs, and hopefully he doesn't get peed on. Oh, there's Rosie. Hey, get out of the camera. Okay, I can't really videotape. They're coming at me. Anyway, he's under there, cutting it and being attacked by dogs. Wild beasts. Oh, you're so good. Oh, you're just a good girl. She's the girl. He's the boy. Rosie, can you speak? Speak. No? Don't want to do it on camera? Are you camera shy? Are you camera shy, Rosie? And or itchy?
I got it all.
He got it all cut under there.
But look.
He's a mess. Slob.
Bubble fall.
So much fun.
Man, like there's pros, but there's a lot of cons.
Oh, look at your arms. Come here, let me see you closer. Let me see if I can zoom in. What a dirtbag. Turn around. It's the back of your arms. They're filthy. Oh my land, you need a shower.
I was clean before I went under there.
Yeah, you are messy.
The
disgraceful. Just kidding.
You're better off not putting any of that crap on.
Yeah.
Right? Just blank floor.
Yeah.
Than having to do this all the time.
Yeah, well, it's done now. The addition's done, so it shouldn't ever happen again.
You did it after.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still, like, I took down a video where I ranted about it last year. I ranted about more than that, but you know, there was some misunderstanding in that, but I really don't give a crap anymore. But this year stuff, it works, but I still would preach it not to do it beforehand.
Yeah, never
Unless
ever.
You're throwing up a little shed or something.
Yeah.
It's because all the other things that come in a bill.
Yeah.
I understand if it was like 100%, you're gonna do this and get it done, but you end up cutting it. I gotta cut it again, right? Because of the extension. Yeah. But if you just went and put it up there after,
then it would be
then
good.
It'd be all right, right? You'd be fine. Just cut the strips like to the size or something.
Or if you had like a full team building, you knew it would be done in like a week.
Yeah, like
which we did not.
There was other just things that all just the way we did it. Like, I mean, you could do a million things another way, right? Which, I mean, when you got thousands of people with different ideas, you know what I mean? You're gonna have different ideas, but anyways, my opinion of this stuff is I would never put it on before I built a floor ever again, ever.
Never.
On after, because I do like it after for the mice that can't get in there and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But honestly, like, man, if you just poured a slab, that would eliminate all of that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was thinking that under there. I'm like, man, a slab would be nice right now.
Yeah. Note to self.
Yeah. So like, if you have piers and you can't really just go pour a slab anywhere. So I get that too. But
if we ever build again, it'll be on slabs.
Piles, like I like the screw piles, and I like the, and I would do piers. It's a lot. They're cheaper than slabs for sure. Well, the screw piles, I don't know. They're a little cheaper, but in the long run, does it really matter?
Yeah.
But anyways, if you're gonna do it this way, I would do the bubble fall in pieces after. That way there you don't have any water that can collect. Unless you spill something on the floor of any amount, then you got to go back under and cut it again, because it'll just all hold it in your floor. I might just leave them cut. With the skirting on, it'll just it'll keep it half decent in there. That wood stove, it doesn't even matter really, it seems like. But
we'll see.
this like my opinion of Waterflies, like.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? But it's cut.
Look at this neat little fanny pack that we had sent to us. It's from a company called Waterfly, which is actually really cool. I'm going to read to you a little bit about the company because I think it's super interesting. That what does it say? It was just these products were created in 1998. The founder was just a junior high school boy, but a big outdoors enthusiast, and his family was too poor to buy him a bag. So he had to earn money from the part-time job to buy hiking bags. Well, it worked out very soon. It wore out very soon. Till 2008, after graduation, he bought the Osprey Argon 70, which was comfortable and long-lasting, but cost his total first month's earnings. Inspired by Osprey, he decided to start his own professional outdoors brand at an affordable new price. In 2014, after a couple years of learning how to design bags, Adam started to design a series of fashions and portable outdoor bags and devoted to the same high quality sound packs as Osprey. At the time, he found Waterfly, which are light and delicate, like a butterfly, graceful, dancing in the air, also as soft as water in the ocean. Adam hopes Waterfly brings more vitality and fun to young people in modern daily life to achieve the goals. To achieve the goal, Waterfly is keen to be innovative and pass outdoor passion all the time. I hope I actually just read that right. I don't have my glasses on. So anyway, kind of a cool little story. And this is the bag. Like I said, it's a fanny pack. But it's kind of cool and convenient. It's got all these little pockets in it. Okay, I suck at videotaping and showing things. So a little tiny pocket here. You could have like your lip chap in here if you're a girl or a guy. You know, sometimes you don't want your lips chapped. In here, the main part, you could put your cell phone. I've used this bag when going for a walk. I shoved a small water bottle in here. And you can put your keys in here, either in this one or in this little section here. There's another little pocket here, so you could put your keys in here, a little water bottle in there, or your cell phone. And then you can open up this back part as well. Like, there's so many little pockets with these bags. We found with Waterfly, they have so many just different little compartments. You can even throw your cell phone back here. So it's kind of convenient, like, because I was walking the dogs and we have 2 dogs. So I had to pick up my keys, my phone, a lip chap, stuff. Like, I can't hold both dogs and anything else basically. So this thing's pretty cool. Let me show you. I'm going to put it on. So you'll have to watch me in the mirror because Jeremy's busy doing stuff. Okay, so in the mirror, you can see it's like a gray and it's not huge, so it's kind of fashionable. I mean, you could wear it with anything and not feel like terribly like embarrassed or anything. Even working on the house, Jeremy was saying like I could put a bunch of screws in here and then just reach down, grab my screws or nails or whatever it is we need, grab them out and continue to work on the house. So you don't have to wear it like this if you don't want to. You can also wear it. You could also do an over the shoulder thing. If you don't want to wear it as a fanny pack, this looks a lot nicer. You could just wear it like this. So over the shoulder. I feel like I'm modeling this for you, like I'm a model here or something, right? So, I mean, I could still walk my dogs or do whatever I'm doing and have an over the shoulder bag. And it's super convenient. Just reach in, grab what you need, do your thing. It's so lightweight, like it's super comfortable and great. So yeah, that's Waterfly. Enjoy your life. Waterfly Sports Fanny Pack. It's stylish. Looks good, and it's lightweight and comfortable, and they're cheap. They're really, really, really inexpensive products, so super happy with it.